I always wondered how these faux flowers would hold up in the elements. Right now it's raining. I'm not sure if it's picking up on camera or not. It's just above freezing and they're doing great. The silk flowers are holding up well as the artificial ferns. And I love that even though they're a UV resistant design for the sun, they hold up great in the rain and the weather and the cold temperatures as well. They're looking realistic to me and mimicking real plants. And whether I have the colorful in the ground in my beds or the white in these oversized 14 by 14 planters, they're giving a very full layered look. They are customizable. I can bend them and make them look however I like. And I love the ferns adding the height and just an extra texture in there. So overall, you get plenty, 13 total bunches. They're UV resistant silk. You get the detachable branches. You get the tall height for the ferns that add the height and the depth. You can use them indoors or outdoors, but what stands out to me is the flexibility. I can spread them out. I can layer them really thick in a pot. You can change the color layouts and fullness to match your space or year to year. Use them in a transitional season, put them away, and bring them back in the next transitional season. Thanks to the seller for sending these over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.